All right, my name is Shane, and I'm gonna demo the new Mesa Boogie Mark II C Plus HRG. That's the 100-watt version with reverb and graphic EQ, hence HRG. Not gonna get into specifics on the amp. Just gonna play some riffs. I think you'll be able to hear when I kick in the EQ, but I'll play a little clean and then play some riffs. God, making videos is hard, but shout out to Mesa, playing here in Kansas City, one of the best live bands I've ever seen. But shout out to them. Yeah, I'll just play some riffs. Let you hear the amp.